The only true test of whether we have believed something is the presence of suffering. If we have believed a concept, it is bound to make us suffer. Therefore, when suffering arises, it's a pointer to what misconception we have. And in that way, it is a beautiful blessing. It's so simple. Suffering arose, we check and see, okay, this was the misconception, and the misconception can be let go of. So when you say momentary appearances which try to convince us that we have believed something. So momentarily an appearance comes, which could be some pain or something like that, but if it is momentary, then it is quickly gone. So if it lasts only a minute or two, then it is quickly gone. But if it stays, the suffering stays for a few hours, I don't want to give a precise time to say this is the A grade and this is the B grade. No? But you know what I mean intuitively. Right? Momentarily, it is felt only momentarily. But when suffering persists, there must be a concept that we are believing. But if it is momentary, then it is not. Nothing to worry about. If there's a follow-up question you want to ask, you can do that. And Ustreamer110 says, no car here. Yes. Om says, thank you, Father. Very good. And he says, but something there is a tendency to hang on to a thought, saying maybe that is true. And there is looking when there is nothing to look at. Yes. So because of our conditioning, because of many lifetimes of belief in ourselves as a person, it could be that momentarily some attention, even belief goes. But like you said, you use the word momentary. So as long as it's momentary, it is nothing to worry about. Because the minute we set ourselves a condition that even momentarily it should not happen, then we are setting ourselves up for failure and for trouble. I have not ever seen a single being for whom even momentarily irritation, anger, or these things don't arise. Momentarily it is fine for it to happen. But what you will find is that you will not be able to hold on to anything. There can be anger momentarily, but there can be no resentment. There can be no judgment. Your irritation won't last more than a few, at best more than a few minutes. You say, and this has the tendency to cause suffering in comparison to the original thought. Yes, because there's this concept that I should now not give any attention or belief to it. So even if it happened momentarily, still that means that it makes a conclusion about what we are. That am I not free now, or I should be free from all of this, or even this momentary appearance should not happen. So look at what this suffering is pointing you to. It is pointing you to a concept which is saying that it should be a state of constant equanimity or bliss or peace or joy. But it is not true for any being I've seen, even the greatest masters.